Hello everyone, welcome to the series of mathematical economics. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of determinant of a matrix. You can find more videos on mathematical economics, statistics, econometrics, microeconomics and macroeconomics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start with meaning. Meaning of determinant. So determinant of a matrix is the scalar value or number calculated using a square matrix. And it is denoted by either A or determinant of A, where A is square matrix. So let's see how to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. So suppose we have matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So determinant of A is A11, A12, A21, A22. Now how to find this value? It is equal to A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. This is the value of determinant of A. Let's take one example. Suppose A is equal to 5 minus 7, 4, 3. So determinant of A, determinant of A is equal to 5 minus 7, 4, 3. Therefore, value is 5 into 3. This is 5 into 3 minus 4 into minus 7. So this is equal to 15 minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. So answer is 15 plus 28. So now the value of this determinant is 15 plus 28 and therefore answer is 43. This is how we find the value of 2 cross 2 determinant. Let's see 3 cross 3 determinant. Determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. So now we know that matrix B is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So determinant of B is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. 3. So how do we find the value? So value is A11. First you write A11. Now since this value belongs to first row and first column, you hide first row and first column. So remaining part is A22, A23, A32 and A33 minus you write A12. So now we are going to hide first row and second column. Hide first row and second column. So it is A21, A23, A31 and A33 plus A13. So now we are going to hide first row and third column. First row and third column. So it is A21, A22, A31, A32. So this is how we find the value. Now let's understand this with the help of example. So suppose we have matrix B which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore determinant of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So formula is first write A11. So this is A11 is 1. Hide first row and first column. First row, first column. Then remaining part is 5, 6, 8, 9 minus 2. Hide first row and second column. Remaining part is 4, 6, 7, 9 plus 3. Hide first row and third column. So 4, 5, 7 and 8. So it is 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 2 into 36 minus 42. This is 36, this is 42. Similarly here we have 45 and 48 plus 3, 32 minus 35. So this is equal to minus 3. This becomes plus 12 and this is minus 9. And therefore answer is 0. So here the value of this determinant is 0. This is how we can find the value of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 matrix, which is known as determinant of that particular matrix. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.